The mere threat of a receiver at times can wind up resolving a claim. And that's because when people are running a business, there's a lot of meaning behind it, there's a lot of value behind it. And if someone's doing something wrong and they just get hit with the lawsuit, some people are not going to be very happy. It's going to lead to, more contentiousness. It could lead to deterioration of the business even more. Some people aren't going to care. But the second they see that a receiver might be injected into their seat, so that way they're effectively removed from the company, the receiver's put in their place, and they're going to lose complete control. Imagine that. Because a lot of bad faith conduct, a lot of bad faith actor, a lot of fraudsters, people that engage in deleterious conduct, a lot of it is to maintain control. When it's understood what the implications will be, can often wind up initiating the conversation of reaching a settlement or some sort of beneficial resolution, whether that be a buyout or some sort of shift in equity ownership or day-to-day participation in the company.